My name's Callum. I work at Quick Machining, been here for 5 or 6 years. Quick Machining Solutions is a precision engineering company. We machine precise parts of a wide variety. We've got a 5-axis mill, which allows us to do very complicated and multi-axis work. We've got a twin spindle lathe, which is great for efficiency and also accuracy. Our machine shop is split in two. One side is turning, one side's milling. We're pretty much 50-50, so we've got an equal amount of lathes to mills. Both sides have had innovation and advancement in terms of machinery. So on the turning side, we've had the twin spindle with robot loading. And then on the milling side, we've got the 5-axis, also with robot loading. So both have the capability to run 24 hours. In terms of checking, we've got CMM, we've got a visual inspection machine, which allows us to go micron accurate. Some of our work we do 4 or 5 micron plus or minus. So since we moved to Chem Arrow products, we've noticed quite a few changes. The overall cleanliness in the machine is far better. The tramp oil rejection has been brilliant, and there's a far better odour in the workshop. It's got a minimal odour, so you don't really notice it too much. Being in an area with hard water, we needed a product that would work well with this and be more stable. So Chem Arrow's product has so far shown to be perfectly capable to deal with the hard water. We've had improved surface finishes, overall less usage because there's not been waste in the coolant, it's not been sticking to the chips or sticking to the tools. Chem Arrow provide frequent on-site visits where they come in and they check our pH levels, they check the percentage of the strength, and everything goes online, which we can access with ease, which is fantastic because we don't have to log everything and try and find any information if we need it. So it's brilliant for the HSE, it's great for knowing that the coolant's safe for our employees and that the product is stable and where it should be. Overall, the shop floor feedback has been brilliant with the product, and it looks great when we have our customers come in as well and we show them around. Our previous coolant had a few issues. We had a lot of oil, a lot of dirt. We're a very clean company, so we like everything being as tidy as possible, and it helps our mentality and our work state. So having coolant that you can wash the machine down with, a lot of them have got coolant guns, so you can hose down the walls, you can clean off the swarf, and to not leave any marks or stains or oil is brilliant. Same when you take tools out your machine, it makes the putting away process much quicker if they're all clean and they're not covered in lots of thick oil. Another level, we had some issues with service if we had a problem and we wanted to have it dealt with effectively and quickly, as we are a time-based company. So we approached Chem Arrow hoping to have a bit of a better working relationship and more friendly service, and so far our decision to move has been brilliant.